I'm going to show you how to write SEO optimized articles in minutes using AI. These articles include valuable information, nested headings, AI images, and YouTube videos. You can easily generate these great articles in bulk to fill out your website. I'll also run the content through the best AI detectors, including the most difficult, to see how it performs. Let's rock. Click the link in the description to write a free article using Koala Writer. Once you get in, you'll be able to create a preset. You can also choose or create a project. Choose which GPT version you want. You can choose the article type. So I'm gonna choose a blog post here. Then you can put in a target keyword, and then it gives you a few choices for SEO optimization. So I'm gonna select AI powered here. And then if you have a professional subscription, you can add internal linking. You can also choose whether you want to include AI images and YouTube videos. So I'm gonna select auto here, and then it gives you a few options as far as the image style, the image sizes, the max number of images and videos to include in the article. You can choose a length of the article, a tone of voice, language, country, and point of view. Then here, when you get to the bottom, you can use real-time data, so it'll look at the SERPs for source articles. So here's the article, and this looks pretty good. I'm gonna scroll through so you can see the quality. We have a nice introduction. Here's a nice AI generated image. Then it contains some more information. And here's a video that it pulled from YouTube to more thoroughly cover the topic. I'm gonna scroll down some more so you can see the headings. It also has bolded words. Here's a nice bullet list. And then here we have some good nested headings with some more bulleted lists. And you can see that this is some really specific information and is thoroughly covered. And then here we have a link to a source article that it used. Here's another YouTube video. And then here we have some more sources that it's linked out to. And this just gives more credibility to the article. I wouldn't want that many external links in the article, but I would keep a few of these. I think they're pretty good. I also wouldn't want that many words to be bolded. I think too many words are bolded here, so I would remove some of those as well. Here we have a nice numbered list. And I'll continue to scroll here so you can see the article, but this was put together after the software crawled the SERPs for relevant pages and keywords. So this was created after analyzing the SERPs, which I really like. Looks like it thoroughly covers the topic, and it's easily scannable for anyone that just wants to quickly scan the information. They'll have a good idea of what this article is about. So I'm gonna scroll here, and then here we're at the bottom. It doesn't contain a conclusion, so that's something else that I would like to see. So now I'm gonna take this and put it through the AI detectors. Zero GPT says there's a 93% chance this was written by AI. Content detector says there's a 75% chance this was written by AI. GPT-0 says there's 58% chance. Undetectable AI says this content appears human, and you can see how it scored on all the different tests here. So next I'm gonna test this in the most difficult AI detector, Winston. Winston says there's 1% that this was generated by a human, so it's highly probable to be AI. Now let's get into the pros, cons, and my overall opinion of Koala Writer. Here's the pros. It creates great articles with valuable information using authority sources and the SERPs. The articles include nice AI images and YouTube videos to more thoroughly cover the topic. You can create these articles in bulk to easily fill out your website. Here's the cons. It doesn't provide an outline or keyword research before writing the article, so you can't customize much before it's written. You can't optimize the article with suggested keywords after it's been written. You can only upload your own list of keywords manually. Overall, Koala Writer writes valuable content based on the current SERPs, while including multimedia elements like pictures and videos. Click the link in the description to write an article for free using Koala Writer. Check out these other videos of cutting-edge AI software you should be using.